CyberClean Car, the innovative high-tech cleaning compound for your car interior. It's versatile, safe, and easy to use. Just press on, don't rub, remove, and the dust is gone. CyberClean reaches into even the tightest gaps and absorbs dust, dirt particles, and germs without leaving any residue or releasing moisture, without annoying glossy effects. It disinfects and ensures practical hygiene on the road. With CyberClean Car, you can clean not only your dashboard, but also the seats and all other highly textured surfaces in your car. CyberClean is based on natural ingredients, can be used multiple times, and has a fresh mint aroma. CyberClean, the original high-tech cleaning compound for hygiene and well-being in the car.
We are dreamers. We are extraordinary. We are innovators. We are leaders. The future doesn't just happen. It is created by those with a vision to change the world.
Sleep. We spend 1/3 of our life sleeping. We all need it, and many of us wish we got more of it. Yeah, technology, which has transformed so many of our behaviors, has done very little to improve the way we sleep. Some would argue that technology has been worsening sleep. I can stand for high-fidelity canopy and will change this way of thinking. Back in 2008, ICANN became the world's first smart bed ever conceived. We believe it represented an icon in the industry. This first success gave us the motivation to go back to work and concentrate all our efforts for the past years, developing a new ICANN that is much better in every way.
While designing a ICANN bed, I was thinking about what kind of experience we could create in order to reach people's lives. This experience is the driving force behind the design of the product, and it comes to life thanks to technology. We name it our bed ICANN because its design suggests a new interpretation of the classic canopy, creating the ultimate comfort zone around the bed and expanding into a new concept of cocoon.
The new ICANN is much more than a bed combined with an entertainment system. ICANN is the first bed-integrated platform based on open-source software. Every feature can be tailored to individual habits because few things are more personal than the bed environment. People working on advanced research in sleep technology will find ICANN to be a great hardware and software framework for the development of new sleep-related applications.
The new ICANN is also easier, intuitive to use, and will be provided with amazing new features like voice control and the health monitoring application. Your idea of bed, relaxation, dreams, and entertainment will never be the same.
The Manet Easy Chair by Best Before 2065 shape shifts to suits your needs. Communication and Design Studio Best Before 2065 presents its Manet Easy Chair, customized for reading and relaxing at home. The furniture is thought to give you the feeling of a soft embrace, providing you with the maximum freedom of movement at the same time. On Manet, as on a meadow, you're free to lay or to sit in your favorite position, while staying in between the soft stems of the chair. Best Before 2065 made sure the user has the freedom to move, turn or remove every single pillow, always finding the desired position and creating a new seat. Manet is entirely manufactured in the Brianza area of Italy, by qualified artisans. It is dotted of pillow linings made of 100% polyester fabric, which is both removable and washable. Concerning the base, it is made out of MDF and covered in a soft vinyl fabric with antimicrobial and anti-acris treatment. As a result, this provides a durable hygienic freshness.
Opening jars is one of the most common challenges in the kitchen. No matter what age or gender, many people can find it difficult to unscrew the lid of a jar. We present the solution. It's called the Quopener. Opening jars has never been easier. Now, anyone can do it. Choose any jar, a new one or one that's already been opened but has gotten stuck. Take the opener, place it on the jar, and push the handles. With very little effort, the jar opens. The opener works with any shape of jar and lid, and due to the adjustable configuration, it can handle a wide range of jar sizes. Whether you are young or old, male or female, whether you are fit or not, the opener makes opening jars very easy. No one will ever have to ask for help again.
We all throw food away sometimes. That's ending now with the latest kitchen innovation. Introducing VacuVita, the only vacuum food system that is designed to save you money and look good in your kitchen. The intelligent VacuVita home base works with just a hand movement. The system opens by itself and automatically creates a vacuum. Your food stays fresh up to 5 times longer. Because of VacuVita's easy access storage solution, you're able to enjoy your food right away, without hassle, just as tasty as the moment you stored them. The VacuVita home base is the heart of a complete kitchen solution to store and prepare your food. It comes with vacuum bags and original VacuVita containers that suit your kitchen interior. The VacuVita home base creates a vacuum inside the containers to keep your food fresh, tasty, and full of vitamins. Revolutionize the way you store your food, manage your kitchen, and minimize waste. Use the VacuVita containers and bags for coffee, vegetables, herbs, meat, and leftovers, and store them in your fridge, freezer, or pantry. Prevent freezer burn on your expensive meats, fish, or poultry. Prepare your food in advance, like crispy salads, sliced vegetables, tasty marinades, homemade rubs, pasta sauce, or croutons. Cook what you want, when you want, and ease up your week with VacuVita. Start cooking like a real chef. It's easy. You're hosting a barbecue but haven't marinated your meat or fish? No problem. With the vacuum container, you can marinate in minutes. The vacuum products will soak up all the flavor and your barbecue will end up being a great success. Sous vide is the professional way to slowly heat your finer foods. The bag protects the product and all the flavors and vitamins will remain inside while slow cooking to the perfect tenderness. With VacuVita vacuum bags, you get exceptional results every time. Serve your family and friends with the fresh, healthy food they deserve and never throw any of it away again. VacuVita is the sustainable way to save food and money, designed to simplify your life and suit your taste. From now on, you can enjoy fresh, tasty products every day.
Introducing the SwitchBot. Now you can control any switch remotely from your smartphone, smartwatch, or the internet. Turning on your bedside lamp has never been so easy. Get your morning coffee self-served. Never miss your favorite TV show. Remotely turn on or off your computer whenever you need it. Feed your lovely pet while you're away at the touch of a smartphone button. With the SwitchBot, everything is done using one single, simple click. Enjoy more time curled up in bed and let the SwitchBot do your busy work. SwitchBot is equipped with a 3M VHB tape. Just tape it and you're done. No additional tools required. The SwitchBot works with your smartphone or your smartwatch. No need to worry about multiple bots. Our smartphone app can handle every bot at once. Thanks to our patent-pending design, the SwitchBot can relay commands to multiple bots, even when your smartphone is out of Bluetooth range. SwitchHub, it enables the SwitchBot to connect with the internet. No hassle, no mess, for greater convenience and streamlined functionality. It takes one switch to do everything and make your life that much easier. SwitchBot supports any IFTTT event that gives you freedom to set your own custom rules. Get complete wireless control of all your outlets and switches. The SwitchBot is always at your service. Keep everything under your own control with the SwitchBot. and make your life that much easier, better, smarter.